Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the project so you can work fast. Open Motion and pick the correct project type and frame size. This determines pixel ratios and render needs. Import your media now, drag assets directly into the timeline, or use File Import to keep folders organized. Once assets are in place, create a new group layer and set up a basic structure: background, main media, and overlay. This structure keeps you efficient when adding behaviors and keyframes later. Now you assemble motion by arranging layers and establishing timing. Place background, main media, and overlays in order, then trim clip edges to match beats or narration. Use keyframes for precise control, set start and end values, while behaviors handle organic motion quickly. Make sure to adjust easing so movements feel natural, and use masks or blend modes to integrate elements. Once satisfied, preview at lower quality to save time, then incrementally increase fidelity before complete the project by checking all effects and doing a final scrub. Open Share Export Movie and choose codec and resolution that match your delivery needs. Use draft previews to confirm timing, then best quality for the final file. Make sure to set the destination and file name clearly. If export stalls or frames are missing, clear the motion render cache and retry the export. This resolves most stalled renders. Finally, verify the exported file plays correctly in QuickTime before delivery.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.